Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Shiba Inu itself. Shout out to the Shiba community for showing tremendous amount of love. If you want to see a continuation of these updates, do smash that like button and you will see a continuation of that. But let's waste no more time and get right into it. As you guys can see, we are seeing massive amounts of green across the board today. The continuation of this bullish momentum is really showing. And I'm sure, people that have been accumulating altcoins over the course of the last few weeks are, really excited, of course, right now, because, of course, significant gains are being made. You could see Shiba Inu is up 20% over the past 24 hours in USD. Compared, you're seeing the likes of Bonk and Pepe also following, this momentum. On the weekly time frame, it's up 33.6%. So pretty much everything right now is feeling the love. As far as the price is concerned, 4 zeros in front of the price, 1932 is the price itself, up 21.2% in Bitcoin, USD, or Ethereum. Comparative market cap is at $11.3 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about 2.1 billion, which is absolutely amazing to see. But let's see what's happening with the price, because, Shiba Inu was able to do exactly what we spoke about yesterday, which is absolutely amazing. So, let's pull out the charts. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always, always, always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, before we even get into Shiba Inu, I really want you guys to understand what really is happening with the broader market. You need to understand what is happening with the market right now. We're sitting at a $55 billion market valuation for the entire meme coin market. And if you want to put this into perspective, we have seen a 16.1% increase just over the last 24 hours. And you could see pretty much everything is going up double digits, especially over the last 24 hours. And look at the last 7 days, significant gains. And, this really shows how important that rate cut really was for the crypto markets. And you could see, market is booming right now, and Shiba Inu is really gaining a lot of traction, up a staggering 21.2%, considering it's the second largest meme coin in the markets. Bitcoin dominance, on the other hand, actually went lower compared to yesterday, which is quite interesting to see. Bitcoin, on the other hand, look at that, guys. We have finally broken out, and Bitcoin is going to that 70K range. Obviously, that is that next target, but we finally are able to get past that 64K mark. And now people are starting to understand why that was a specific confirmation for myself to get bullish. And yes, right now, the fact that we are back above $64,000, I'm mega bullish on the entire market. And you could see for yourself, we are finally sitting at 65,500 going into Friday morning. What else could you ask for? And the entire crypto market is reacting to this move of Bitcoin in a very positive way. Looking at Shiba Inu, it was able to do exactly what we spoke about yesterday, which was obviously breaking out of this key resistance. And you could see we are finally retesting July levels, guys. Shiba Inu hasn't seen this price since the month of July. And you can see we are obviously coming up to some resistance as the price is trying to break towards the upside. And that's literally where it's sitting. But the fact that we did see that daily close above this key resistance is what you wanted to see happen. And I do believe we could actually end up seeing Shiba Inu retesting the next key resistance at 2019 zone. And again, if that is able to clear up, off we go to the 2138, and then of course at the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Very interesting moves right now. And as a Shiba Inu holder, if you are obviously watching, this is the types of moves you want to see Shiba Inu making, especially getting past this key resistance, because this key resistance is not a small, resistance. It's a major resistance. And last time, of course, I indicated to you guys what happened back in March. And the price of Shiba Inu exploded to the 45.81 zone. So of course, people can come out and say, was that a massive short squeeze? Potentially, that could be a possibility. But nonetheless, let's see what happens. I do expect, Q4 to be bullish for the markets. November is a very important month because, of course, the elections are coming up. But I think leading up to November, we are going to see the market rally. And right now, Shiba Inu is facing some key levels. Of course, as it's trying to break towards the upside, it's trying to, face some major resistance. But if this resistance is able to break out, pretty much the target that I have, that I would be looking out for Shiba Inu would be the 78.6 fib zone, which we haven't seen since June itself. So very, very big moves occurring right now for Shiba Inu. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up Shib over the course of the last few days. Again, if you want to put this into perspective, let me just give you guys a little bit of a visual as to what's really happening. So let's give it a refresh live. Let's go to the hourly time frame, and you can see this for yourself. Let me just zoom in for you guys so you can really understand what's happening. So pretty much since the last few days only, I would say the last week, it's up 48.27%. And this is the second largest meme coin. So that's a big move for Shib. But let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, one step at a time. Lock those profits in when you're seeing them. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.